Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the frame mockup with the color changing wall in Pixlr. So first go to pixlr.com, Pixlr.com in any web browser. Then we're going to click on Pixlr X, Quick and Easy Graphic Design. And then we'll click Open Image to find the mockup. And it's going to ask us if we want to size it down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply to open the original size. And now we need to add the image inside the frame. So on this left hand side, we're going to click on this little icon with the mountains and the sun that says Add Image when you hover over it. And then we'll click Browse to find the artwork off the computer. Alright, it's going to place it right on top of the frame just like that for us. If you needed to, you could click and drag the four corners to resize it. And then to make it look a little more natural, we can actually change the blend mode in the layers panel. So you'll see the two thumbnails in the layers panel on the right hand side, and this little icon with three dots that says layer settings when you hover over it. We want to click on that. That's going to open up the layer menu. And this drop down underneath blend mode, we're going to change it from none to multiply. That's going to allow the slightly off-white color to show through so it looks a little more natural. And then we can just click Save. If you're going to use this as a thumbnail online, like on Etsy, you want to save a version as a JPEG. We'll change the quality to 100 and leave it on high, and then just click Download. And it's going to let you know the image was saved to the default download folder, and it'll give you an option to change that if you want to. If you wanted to save a layered Pixlr document, you can come back here again and click Save. And then this time just click on PXC and then click Download again. And that's all there is to adding your art to the frame in Pixlr. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.